Hello everyone, welcome back. So hope you have very good day today. So Nifty and Bank Nifty exactly reacted as per our levels yesterday. And if you see, Nifty has exactly tested this resistance level which we discussed in yesterday's video. If I can play back that video for you. Zone. Okay, this is the downside view I'm seeing. If it opens flat, we will see volatility in Nifty. Chance if it opens flat, chance of breaking upside is little more. If it opens flat, chance of breaking downside is little less. Okay, we have to wait for first 3 minutes candle to form, then you can decide on which direction Nifty can move. So my view is it might break 23,500 once tomorrow, and we might test 23,680, so that everybody will be bullish, and from here it might reverse as well. Yeah, if you see the yesterday's video, exactly what I said, Nifty is going to break 23,500 once, and then it is going to test 23,680. And Nifty have exactly did the same. So it came and tested this zone. Okay. So now what is next for tomorrow? Okay, so as we are at the very crucial zone at the moment, so if you have joined my WhatsApp community, you would have known tomorrow's view. So we have also taken our bearish positions for tomorrow, again with proper hedging. Though if Nifty opens 200 points gap up also, we'll be hardly in 2000 3000 loss, not more than that. So that's how we do a hedging, and that's how we take the positions. Even if we are carrying any positions, we are not going to carry any naked positions in my free WhatsApp community. So if you wanted to join that community, and if you wanted to understand the levels in the live market, and if you wanted to learn the logics, how market is reacting, why market is reacting, you can join my free WhatsApp community. So I'm not going to give any tips there, but you can learn things from the market in real time, and you will get good education related to the market. Okay, in case if you wanted to take any buy sell trades based on the learnings that I'm providing, please consult your financial advisor before you take any positions, that from the learnings which I'm sharing in my free WhatsApp community. Okay, if you can see today also, this is a position, this is a chart which I've shared in the start of the day. Okay, this is a chart which I've shared in the start of the day, and I've clearly said Nifty, this is a first resistance and second resistance. Maximum Nifty can go here, and this is a trend line support which you are seeing, and this is a support 1 and support 2. Market exactly came to this trend line. From here it have broken the resistance 1, and market exactly ended at the resistance 2. And we have also taken a zero hero trade, and when calls were trading here, I clearly said, without calls breaking this trend line again, we are not going on the long side. From here we have seen good dip in the calls, and at the dip we have taken this hero zero trade, 23,450 CE with 28 SL, and entry was 32. With just 4 points SL, we have entered this trade almost at 84. We have booked some quantity, and we have trailed till 96, and it went above 96 as well. So but we have exited almost our quantity between 90 to 96 zone. Almost it have become 3 to 4x the hero zero trade. Okay, so this is the learning you will be getting in my WhatsApp community, again with the logic, why we are entering trade, what is the chart pattern, where we have to enter. With that logic, I will be sharing in the group. I have also posted it on my Twitter. Okay, so this is a share which I have traded, and this is what our group or my followers also traded. I have shared in the Twitter community as well. In case if you wanted to follow me on Twitter, you can just go and search on my name, Santhosh Bazar, so you will get my Twitter account and you can follow me. I will be giving the link to my Twitter account in the description of this video. You can go there and join as well. Okay, so now let's see what is there for tomorrow, what Nifty is cooking for tomorrow. Okay, so right now we are in a trap zone. So okay, Nifty can trap here many players who are on the bull side, but the sentiment is bullish at the moment, and we have entered here long in futures. At this bottom we have entered long in futures, exactly on this day. At this bottom we have entered long in futures. Along with Nifty futures, we have entered futures in few of the stocks as well, based on this Nifty date. Okay, so again, I'm not giving any buy sell recommendations here. And today we have booked our futures as well here at the high. Okay, so now what is next for Nifty tomorrow? In case if Nifty closes a 15-minute candle tomorrow at 23,666, above 23,666. If Nifty is closing a good 15 minutes candle tomorrow by opening flat here or by opening little gap up, and then it closes a strong 15 minutes candle here, we might see this gap filling. Okay, we might see 23,860 level. Okay, we might see 23,860 level. If Nifty starts to trade about 23,666 level tomorrow, we might see this level. From here we will see a good rejection in Nifty. In case if Nifty is closing a 15 minutes candle above this zone, we are going to see 24k as our target. Okay, Nifty to trap bulls. Okay, or else big players to trap retailers, they might take Nifty till 24k also. I'm not telling that Nifty is going to reverse from here and it is going to make a new low, but from here also Nifty has a possibility to go till 24k. Again, we will be playing based on the levels, just with the view. We are not just going and entering blindly in any trade. We are going to trade exactly with the levels. I will see if Nifty closing about today's high, a good strong 15 minutes candle, and this day low, 12th March closing, if it is closing above this closing and above today's day, today's high, then I will be bullish till this level, 23,860 level. Again, this is the closing of 11th May. So till here I will be bullish. This is almost 200 points. Okay, the traveling 200 points itself is a big thing tomorrow. In case if it close above 860 level, definitely we are going to see 24k level in Nifty tomorrow. Okay, if not Thursday, we are going to see this level. And my view for the downside is, I will wait for Nifty to close below this level. Okay, below 23,350. If Nifty is closing a strong green candle below 23,350, then my view will be downside here till this level. My target will be 23,100 to 23,150, 130. Okay, 23,130. Again, if you see downside, we have 200 points target, nearly 200 points target, and upside we have nearly 200 points target. Okay, Nifty is at the crucial level. If it gives a breakout upside, you will see 200 points target. If it gives breakdown downside, you will see 200 points target. But only thing for the breakdown getting this target is, from here Nifty should travel almost 200 points down, and then it should give breakdown here. Then you will be seeing this 200 points downside. So almost it have to travel 400 points tomorrow for you to give this target. So but from here it have to travel hardly 100 points. If it travels hardly 100 points, this 200 points target we can achieve. This is the same point which I've said yesterday also. So where it is closing is important. So from closing, which side breakout is near, okay, that side mostly price is going to give a breakout. Okay, if breakdown is near, it is going to give a breakdown. If breakout is near, it is going to give a breakout. But if you see here, as we discussed yesterday, breakdown is 200 points far away, breakout is just 100 points far away. So giving a breakout upside is 70 to 80% probability. Giving a breakdown downside is 30 to 50% probability. This is what I am seeing tomorrow. It might give dip here, it might take support, consolidate here, again it might give a break upside move from here, from this zone. Okay, this is what I am seeing in Nifty. So trade with less quantity at the moment in Nifty either side. So after 20th March, from next week, so anyways I will be sharing a weekly analysis video over this weekend, so that you will know the next week view. Based on that, you can increase your quantity. But starting tomorrow, you trade with less quantity to be on safer side. In case if you know how to hedge the positions, better you hedge and trade, because we might see volatile movements upside downside in Nifty. So now coming back to Bank Nifty. Bank Nifty also, yesterday we discussed, if Bank Nifty close above this high, 15 minutes candle, if you see a closing above almost 54,700, this is what exactly we discussed in yesterday's video. If it close above 54,700, we will see 55k level. Above 55k level, if you are seeing a closing, we will be seeing this level, which is 55,333 level. This is what I said, max we can see upside in Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty today, it closed a green candle with this candle. Okay, and our stop loss will be below this candle. On closing basis, our entry will be here as per the logic. From here, from almost 780, we have tested the 55k level exactly. So almost 200 to 230 points we have captured here in Bank Nifty. Okay, just this candle movement is more than enough, and this is where we have exited our trades, because this was the 12th May close 13th May closing here. Okay, so closing always will act as a resistance, so we have downloaded our quantity here as per the intraday. Okay, so now what is the view for Bank Nifty tomorrow? So Bank Nifty again similar to Nifty, this level is very crucial for Bank Nifty, which is 54,000, almost 120 to 180 zone. 54,120 to 180 zone. It is very crucial. Below this only I am going to go bearish in Bank Nifty. Okay, irrespective of how much points it is falling from this level to this level, it is almost 700 to 800 points this zone. Okay, in these zones I will be not trading. I will be trading only breakout of below this zone. My target will be this. Okay, which is 53,660. Okay, you can make it as 53,666. Okay, and if this zone breaks, we are going to break this low as well, and we are going to see 53,222. Okay, below 53,666 we are going to see 53,222. But for these targets to achieve, Bank Nifty have to break this level decisively with a good red candle. Bank Nifty has to break again. If you see here, to break it have to travel 7 to 800 points downside. Okay, after traveling 7 to 800 point downside, in that time if it is breaking means that is of no use. From here again you might not see this follow. From here it might trap everyone and it might come inside. So be careful. If Bank Nifty is opening gap down here and then it is breaking this zone, that makes sense to go short. If Bank Nifty is opening flat here and coming down breaking this zone, it will trap everyone. Okay, so this is how you have to trade downside in Bank Nifty. Now for upside, for me I will go long if Bank Nifty close above 55,133. Either if it opens flat here and close above 55,133, I will be long, and my first target will be 55,333. My first target will be 55,333, and my next target will be this high, and it is the closing as well. So it is 55,600 will be my next target in Bank Nifty for the upside. For this Bank Nifty either need to open flat and it should close above this zone, either it can open some gap up 100 150 points gap up and then it have to close above this zone. After gap up, if you see immediate selling either in Nifty or Bank Nifty, you have to wait for tomorrow's high. Bank Nifty should be trading above the opening. Then only you should be going for the long. And again, remember, Bank Nifty have to close above this level for longs to initiate. This will be the first target, and this will be the second target. Okay. And again, if you see here also, chances of breaking upside is little high, 70 to 80%. Chances of breaking downside is little low. Else it can go sideways. In Nifty and Bank Nifty, it can travel in this zone, it can go sideways, and it can create a doji candle tomorrow. Because today and yesterday there was a good movement in Nifty and Bank Nifty. If you see in Bank Nifty from yesterday's low, it have traveled almost 1700 points, 3%. So tomorrow Nifty and Bank Nifty might create a doji candle. If you go and see in daily time frame, so already we have seen good movement here. So tomorrow it might create a doji candle, or else it might create a red candle. Either you will see this candle tomorrow, or you will see a red candle tomorrow here in Bank Nifty. If these two are not happening, we will be seeing this level in Bank Nifty, which is 55,600 level. Okay, so trade with less quantity in Nifty and Bank Nifty. Again, trade based on the levels. Okay, in next week, based on my video, which I will upload the video over the weekend, So based on weekly analysis from next week, we can increase our quantity based on how this week Nifty and Bank Nifty is closing. The weekly candle closing is very important. If you see my last week video also, I clearly said weekly candle closing is important. If you can go back and see my last video, so I clearly said weekly candle closing is very much important. Okay, so you can go back and check that video. So this weekly candle closing will decide whole picture of Nifty and Bank Nifty. But after 20th, towards end of the March, based on the pattern, I will be strongly bullish in Nifty and Bank Nifty. We can capture easily 3000 points in Nifty and Bank Nifty towards the end of this month. So we have to wait for that levels, wait for those dates patiently, and then we can initiate our trades. So if you wanted these kind of updates, you can join my free WhatsApp community, for which I will be sharing the link here in the description. You can go there, click and join my free WhatsApp community. Okay, thanks everyone for watching this video. So we'll see how Nifty and Bank Nifty will unfold tomorrow. Thank you.